What is up, YouTube? Here's a quick video. I'm bored today and I've seen a lot of videos of people reviewing products, nothing really stating how they've used them, a lot of unboxing stuff. This is a really good product from Harbor Freight. I'm not sponsored by them or anything. This is the Braun folding 390 Lumen flashlight. It's pretty decent. The only complaints I've had, and I'm unsure if this is due to it charging and whatnot, it has three different total settings for if you're a weird company that considers off as a setting. The only complaint I've had is I've charged it. I felt like I've charged it before, took it off the charger and it was almost dead instantly. It says the runtime is supposed to be somewhere like, I think 3 hours, which is more than enough for me, but it was more like 20 minutes and it was dead. So it could have been a fluke that it didn't charge. I was charging it off a video thing, but I like it. It mounts kind of wherever, can bend it. So if I'm working on something in here, I can see it well. It's easy to use. So I'm just knock over this. And then easy charging. Unfortunately, I use an iPhone now, so that charger isn't as accessible to me, but I still like it a lot. I normally only use it on bright, but overall, I like it. So I'd suggest it. It's normally $39.99. I got it on Black Friday for like $18.97. I look for the coupons. It's on sale pretty often. I think you can commonly get it for 30 bucks, and I think it's well worth the $30.